In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted history on Google Chrome quickly and easily, using a method that can help you find browsing activity, even if it no longer appears in your Chrome history. This is a really useful trick if you accidentally cleared your history, switched devices, or just need to look back at something you visited before. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open your browser and go to the Google My Activity website. This is Google's activity dashboard, and it can store a timeline of your account activity across different Google services. Once the page loads, sign in using the exact same Google account you used in Google Chrome. This part is very important, because if you log in with the wrong account, you won't see the correct browsing data. After you sign in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Don't worry if it looks a little overwhelming at first. What you want to do now is scroll down past the main area until you reach your chronological timeline of web and app usage. This section is where Google organizes your activity by date and time, which makes it much easier to track down previously visited pages. Now, to make the search faster, look for the Filter by Date or Product option. Click it, and then choose Chrome from the list of products. This will isolate only your browser activity, so you're not digging through unrelated Google services. Once the filter is applied, you should see a more focused list of Chrome-related history entries. From there, browse through the timeline to find the websites or pages you're trying to recover. Depending on your settings and account activity, you may see page titles, timestamps, and related browsing events that can help you identify what you visited before. This is especially helpful if your Chrome history was cleared locally, but your Google account still kept a record of the activity. If you're trying to find something specific, you can also use the search and date options to narrow things down even more. Try searching for a website name, keyword, or time period you remember. That can save you a lot of time compared to scrolling through everything manually. Just keep in mind that this method works best when web and app activity was turned on in your Google account before the history was deleted. If activity tracking was turned off, or if you were browsing in a way that didn't save data, some items may not appear here. But for many users, this is one of the easiest ways to recover deleted Chrome history. And that's it. You've now learned how to recover deleted history on Google Chrome using Google My Activity and the built-in filtering tools. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you want more Chrome tips and recovery tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.